In this video, I share the best side hustle for retired people who are bored. If retirement is not what you expected, this side hustle might be just what you're looking for, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I retired young. I was only 50, and retirement has been a blast for me. See, I didn't just stop working and become a couch potato. I have an online side hustle that gives me everything I need, and I'm not just talking about money. It gives me a sense of satisfaction and helps keep me mentally sharp. I love dealing with like-minded people. I always have lots of time with family and friends, in addition to never having to worry about money. Hey, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So for the longest time, it never crossed my mind that retired people worry about boredom. Then the other day I read an article on MoneyWise quoting a study that found that 42% of working seniors 65 and older fear boredom in retirement, and that keeps them working. Well, isn't that sad to work all your life dreaming of retirement and then be afraid of it when the time comes? And I know that my sister, who is a couple years younger than me, is in exactly that spot. She's old enough to retire, but can't imagine what she would do. That MoneyWise study also found that 22% of seniors who retired re-entered the workforce, and it wasn't just for the money. They felt they were missing the social interaction and mental stimulation, as well as wanting the extra money. Face it, Social Security alone will not cut it. So if you are at the point where you are retired, you like the idea of something to keep you busy and interacting with others and extra income too, let me tell you a little about the side hustle I do. It might be just right for you also. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. We market 4 high-demand digital products. Everything's all done online. It comes with a terrific marketing system. And you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. And as for the money you can make, well, you can make money fast. Many make money their first day, and it pays out long-term passive income too. That's money that comes in month after month for the sales you make each day. We show people how they can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. To help do that, we have the best training you will find. Our training website has dozens of how-to videos. We hold live, interactive Zoom calls 6 times a week, and we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell anytime you need help. To learn more about the best side hustle for retired folks and to start making more money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.